hiked in and Sophie hurt her paws.
This is Sophie here.
Yeah.
3 cuts on her paw.
Yeah, it looks like there's shelves instead of like boulders. This is the first time
You guys are chill. Good stuff.
Oh, watch it right there.
3-hour tour.
Yeah.
Under the rocks at Smoky Point.
Cool. These are really overhung, like it's actually like
Oh yeah.
ceilings.
Yeah, I don't know how they climb it. Working my way out, but I worked my way right into a boulder field.
I think if you keep going straight, it looks pretty good.
Just letting the motor clear that last patch.
Oh, there's one big one right here.
No, that I won't hit.
But it's deep now.
Alright. Those are the shelves, the stone shelves.
Yeah, it looks like there's shelves instead of like boulders. Oh, so cool.
Oh, watch it right there.
Yeah.
Don't go over that one, Roy. Roy, oh, you can go over it.
Yes, we can go over it. It's shocking what we can go over. In this area, I would say somewhere else, maybe not so much.
Don't go there, my beast. Okay. Let's go to the other beach.
Well, I'm just gonna again jump out, take
okay.
another little video, and then
okay.
we'll go check
Okay.
out the other beach.
Yeah.
Not as sandy as I thought from a
Do
distance.
you think the other one would be sandy?
It might just be just like this.
No, it's gonna be similar.
You think so?
Yeah.
It's probably, it's
There's no,
definitely
like,
working on
sand
being
beaches
sandy,
here.
but it's got a lot of work to do before it's sandy.
It's getting there though. It's not as like tiny pebbles.
Leave the motor running, right?
Well, I leave it in dry
Yeah.
to stay on the beach,
Yeah.
right?
Okay, yeah.
And then it'll drive it up on the beach.
Yeah.
So, just gotta watch it doesn't get turned. Oh, it's kind of nice though. Oh, we got everybody coming out. Don't leave the boat completely all alone. Oh, pretty beach. So, we're just taking a stop. It looked like a sandy beach from a distance. Turns out it's more of a gravelly beach. Woohoo! What am I doing? Oh, okay.
Say it all over again.
He's getting more gear. He's got some other stuff.
Rescue mission. My first rescue mission.
We warned her it might happen.
We have 2 dogs. Apparently one of the dogs from the hike in, that takes a full day, injured its paw and is unable to walk. So we're going to boat the dog out and save the dog's day.
Yeah, there you go.
What kind of dogs did it say it was again?
I think it's a
Hound?
Basset hound and
so
a
there's- it's
coon
like a
hound.
Tiny one, like
Yeah.
like this big, like
Yeah.
beaner size, and then
Yeah, and then a coon hound or something.
a bigger dog.
Yeah. So he's just breaking camp. Jason, I think his name was. We'll ask him again.
J.
It was something with a J. That's right, exactly. We'll ask him again.
Yeah.
But anyway,
Now we're just waiting.
We're in park mode, so we're not grinding on the beach. See, the sand is finer here, eh?
Yeah. It's like black almost.
Yeah. Bud, are you up?
Thank you so much, you guys.
Oh, no worries, man.
It's gonna be hot on here, right?
Yeah, it might be hot.
Hold on.
Hi, babe. How are you? It's okay.
There's there?
Come on.
Come on, buddy.
I know you have to say hello to everybody. Yes. Yes. Hi. Yeah, Daddy will be back. Don't worry. Daddy will be back. You know what? We rescued somebody else on a sea-doo on an out island way the heck there yesterday, and we were idly talking because we were bringing Shayna out, and we're idly talking. Oh, you never know, you might be around for rescue, and here you are providing. So Jamie has his 2 pups, and one hurt his foot. So rather than hiking out, we're gonna give him a ride. So we're really, the bottom line is this video is we're really nice people. Okay, so I'll get us leaving the beach. And I try to get some gravel out of my Crocs. That's the downside of Crocs. Oh, to heck with it. Just take gravel and all. Hi, guys.
Never back there.
So what's the story? What happened here, Jamie?
We hiked in and Sophie hurt her paws. She got 3 cuts.
This is Sophie here.
Yeah.
3 cuts on her paw.
Yeah. So
And
we got rescued by the nicest people in all of the state of beach.
oh, we'll have to edit that out. You didn't say it well enough. Yeah. So we're just around the point to lines. The escarpment around Lion's Head is amazing. So you can imagine how much hiking the gentleman had to do to get out of the area.
That's Travis.
Okay, I think my son is right in there climbing. I want picture. Okay, picture. Okay, this is Camista. That's the boat from Little Mike and Big Mike.
So hard.
They're around, yay.
It's either Dan or Travis.
I hope he's not coming down too quickly because like that I think is bad in climbing, isn't it?
We would usually, our boat would be there too, but this morning there was like 4 kayakers.
So tell me exactly, how long do you want the tour to be? 3-hour tour? Well, that's Gilligan's Island. Thank you.
This is our first time.
You guys are chill. Good stuff.
Definitely a boat like this. We've been in canoes and stuff.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Gus Sophie
A little luxury.
doesn't really. I just got Sophie a little while ago.
Oh,
Gus
really?
had her forever.
How old Sophie?
She's 4. I got her when she was 3, so I've had her for a
So you adopted her?
kind of.
Or
Yeah.
like a story type of thing?
It's a little bit of a funny story.
So we're really happy to be helpful to Jamie and his pups. Sophie made it back no problems, and I think she appreciated not having to walk the whole way. It was quite a distance and on stony surfaces, so it was hard on her paws. So that was a fun trip. Thanks for watching.